So yeah, that's what I do every day. Sometimes it's different, not too often, but this run is just all the way down, all the way back, all the way down, all the way back. It's pretty boring, but pays the bills. I'm surprised people pay you to do it. So I'm having a great time. I don't know about anybody else. I'm having a marvelous time. Just fabulous, marvelous, excellent. I already had 15 loads today at whatever the time is here. Just a minute. I'll tell you. Oh, 150 already. Oh crap. Don't know if I'll get my goal in today or not. Usually I try and get 26, 27 loads, 28 loads a day, roughly. It's a long area long circle to go and everything, but we'll see. Anyways, if I didn't say it, good morning, hello, and everything, everybody, all the people, all my peeps. Yeah, this working for a living thing isn't YouTube friendly, I'll tell you. That's for sure. Watch all the idiots behind me. Good grief. Anyway, alright, under and in, boys, under and in.